2019 Honda Odyssey. I just want to show you on the touch screen how to move these icons around. For all the tech savvy people, it's pretty easy. But for people like my mother-in-law, my father-in-law that have no idea how to do it, all you do, let's say I want to move the navigation over, let's say here. You just hold it and then you slide it over. Simple as that. And then let's say you want to put it over on another screen. Just hold it over to the side. Bam, you're done. Okay, that's not where I want it. I want to put it back. Oops. Hold it. And then slide it. And as you put it back, bam. Wait a minute, where'd my phone go that was just there? Well, now the phone is over here because you replaced it. Well, not you, but me. So I don't want the Apple CarPlay there. I want my phone over there. Come on. There you go. Gonna hold it. Hold it. Come on. Oh, man. See what happens? Come on. What's going on? Okay, hold the phone. Bring it down. And I'm going to put it on top of Apple CarPlay. Well, where'd Apple CarPlay go? Oh, no. It's right there on the last screen where the phone was. All right, then you just press home to go back, and bam, you're back. Okay, guys, I'm going to be adding more videos to random things on how to adjust and do different things to the Honda Odyssey, the most recent model, 2019, but of course all this would go for 2018. So please go ahead and subscribe. Maybe I'll post something that you want to see. If you're curious how to do something, let me know. I'll figure it out and I'll post a video for you. Okay, thank you.